Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so very much for tuning in. For those who are watching me the first time, hey this is Jyoti and that's my little daughter Chalak. She turned 3 just this month and this is another special vlog for you all because you always ask for vlogs. And why is this special? Because this is for the very first time that I'm showing stuffs like this which I've never shown on my channel before because I thought like why would anybody be interested just to watch these stuffs. But these days nothing much to record, and when you are only at home there's not much you can do with your channel. So I thought like okay, why not, I'll just show you my day in bits and parts. So here I am just doing some simple household works. This is almost like 11:30. I'm done with breakfast. Chalak's done with breakfast and all morning stuff's been done, prayers and all of that. And now I'm just cleaning the house a little bit, folding clothes. Is all washed clothes which needs to be folded and kept on place. And then Jhalak needs to go for a shower, and it's like a little bit cold today. It's actually raining very very heavily. Well, Manipur's weather, you see some bright sun Sunday someday, and then you see rainy season, sudden thunderstorm and lightning and all those stuffs. So just me and my daughter, she always accompany me wherever I go. She just follows me like my tail. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. Then baby, I'll take my baby for a shower. That's all I do. I mean, anyone in their house, this is what they do. Please tell me if you really like stuff like this. I can upload this every day because I almost every day have to do all this stuff. But yeah, comment me down below. What is your suggestion? What more you want me to do? And किचन में बहुत सारा काम है।
प्लीज नहीं दो,
प्लीज मुझे जाना। अरे किचन में काम बेटा।
अगर आप पटाखे नहीं आए तो
मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी। ओले ओले ओले, आपको छोड़ के थोड़ी जाऊंगी रूम पे।
क्या करो?
तो फिर किचन में कौन खाना बनाएगा मुझे बताओ।
पापा तुम भी आई
तो पापा को ऑफिस से बुलाएगा फोन करके?
नहीं,
तो पापा कब आएंगे, कब खाना
अभी
बनाएंगे?
आएंगे ना अभी।
अभी थोड़ी आएंगे, पापा तो अभी गए, पापा तो थोड़ा लेट आएंगे।
नहीं,
अभी आएंगे।
हाँ
और नहीं आए तो? नहीं आए तो?
क्या?
पापा अभी नहीं आए तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग दोनों?
पापा को पापा फटाक से आके खाना बना लेंगे।
अच्छा ओके ओके, यहीं पे रहते हैं। तो हम लोग थोड़ा खेलेंगे ना। Hi guys, our princess Chalak is sleeping. I don't know if I'm audible because I'm talking like really slow. Should I come near or should I bring the camera a little bit near so they can hear me? Well, I'm just checking on Sushant's update. I'm sure like everyone now across maybe India, across the world is doing the same. Every information, every news, every video, I think every hour we just get to hear something new about Sushant's case. I don't know, am I audible or not? First, let me just check if you can hear me. This is what I was watching in Republic Bharat, Republic World, whatever it is. Um, this is one of the channel which I feel is quite genuine, at least regarding Sushant's case. No comments on how it is working on any other case, but the day since that 14th of June, when I heard of Sushant's suicide, that was a time when I knew that this is not a suicide. I, being a fan of Sushant, I being a fan who have seen Sushant on screen for sure, I could not believe it was a murder. It's a suicide. So at first I thought it's a rumor. When I came to know that no, he actually died, I knew it's a murder. I don't know. There was something inside me which was not convinced by this news. I mean, Sushant, a personality, and suicide, this two does not go along. I'm sure many watching me right now must be feeling the same, and I know each one of you know at least about Sushant's case, what's going on in the country. I think other than Corona, if you're actually concerned about anything, and also India China war kind of situation, then I think it's Sushant's case. Like I'm so active with this case. I really want the culprit, to be caught. I just wants to know what the entire story was. Why something like this has to happen, and I feel, you know, I feel so sad. I feel so bad. I really don't know. Just being a fan, being someone who don't know him personally, feeling so bad for him. How must be like how his family, his known people, his loved ones, by known people. I don't know those known people who actually murdered him, but definitely those who love him, his family members, and all his friends, and those who actually genuinely love Sushant, how must they be feeling? I know it's so difficult to come out of this thing which has just happened. I don't know, I just feel for Sushant so much. I just feel like this is someone very close to me, close to my heart, has just left this planet, and I won't be able to see him anymore. I won't be able to see his work anymore. I'm not even able to see his movies. I tried watching his last movie, Dil Bichara Hai. I could not, look, and also I think in that movie he's such a happy person. He's actually pretending to be like more of this joyful guy who is, fighting with whatever has happened in his life. I mean, he's extra joyful. I don't know, I just felt that way watching Dil Bichara. I just could not complete the movie. I think I didn't even go to half of the movie. I I don't know, seriously. I even now, when I talk about Sushant and I talk about this murder case, I just feel like if it, just I just feel like maybe something just something happens, and just you undo everything how we do in our laptops or computer, and everything's go back, and I want Sushant back in this world. I want to see more of Sushant's work, and moreover Sushant as a person was such a great human being. Such loss is not accepted. So I really wish, and I know more than anything, I am so much sure about this, that his culprit is gonna get punished very soon. I always remember him in my prayers every day, every morning, evening. I pray like for all the people who loves me, all the people to whom I know I love, and Sushant is one of them. I pray for him, and may his soul rest in peace. This words are so hard for me as a fan to say. I mean, I don't know. Maybe because he's such a pure soul that you know everyone who loves Sushant is not in peace right now, because he just wants to know what actually happened with him. Anyway, so yeah, these are the updates going on. She just slept right now, Jhalak. I'll do some of my YouTube related work, like I have to edit a lot of stuffs and I have to keep it ready. As you know, I mentioned this in my last vlog that I am up to a project and I am quite busy with that. So these days I'm not getting much of the time to get engaged with my YouTube. But because I cannot leave YouTube, because I love you all and I can see how much you all love Jhalak, you all love me so much, and so many nice and good comments. Every time I open my YouTube, I am so overwhelmed with my comment section. So because of you guys, I am motivated. As I always say, your comments, your views, likes motivates me. So yeah, this is what I'm shooting today, because nothing much, as I said, then there's nothing much for me to shoot, and I don't even have so much of time where I can try thinking of some new creative ideas, because as I said, I'm already engaged with something else, about which I will discuss once I get through all of it. I mean, there's some stages which I have to clear, and if I'm able to do so, I'll let you all know about it. So all my household work, brooming, mopping, cleaning, washing, everything is over. I'm not able to record each and everything because it's really difficult. Our house is like in floor section. So kitchen is in some other floor. I live in some other floor. My grandmother, Jhalak's grandmother, like my mother-in-law, lives in another floor. So every time coming up and down, also carrying Jhalak with me, and it's very difficult for me to hold the camera and go up and down and show you all I'm doing. But I'm trying to record like whatever I can, at least in my room, because I have this freedom of just keeping my camera anywhere and just recording stuffs. Because if I take it down or take it anywhere else, and the people, you understand, other family members, um the rainy season starts, winter starts, and all this happens to me. If you guys are new to my channel, let me tell you, I'm allergic to cold. Okay, I'm cold allergic. So as the weather gets changed, I go through all this, and then my cold fever will start, and that will like not leave me. I really have to take very good care of myself now, because I have a daughter. I have to be like even extra careful, because of me she should not get infected. And now again, because it's corona period, I have to be like, I don't know, the level of my carefulness will go to some other extent only. So yeah, this is what's happening with me. This is all I did. Well, this is a bit late in the evening, so she's taking her, this was actually supposed to be an afternoon nap, but today, because it was a very heavy rainfall, and things got little delayed today, so she's taking her nap now. It's almost it's let me tell you the time, it's about to be 4 in the evening. So she'll wake up like somewhere by 5, and that will be like the in evening prayer time also. So when she gets up, and I'll get dressed up for evening prayer, and then I'll go and I'll do my evening prayer, and then spend time with other family members. I will see, I don't know if I can record. As I said, it's easier for me because I have this freedom, at least in my room, to place a camera anywhere, and me, you've seen these rooms before. It's easier for me to record. But when I take it to somewhere else, the people, their comfort level, and most importantly, their permission, if they want stuffs to be uploaded or not, because it's my life on internet, does not mean my entire family has to agree to my decision of bringing themselves on camera and on internet, available for everyone to see it. Many of you always ask me, I mean, many of you, as in only those who have joined me recently and has not seen my vlogs or my videos earlier, because I've talked about it. So you all want me show to the other family members, show me your mother-in-law, show me your other family people. I can show you a little bit, but it's not like how I show you myself, my mom, my husband, my daughter. Even my husband is not a very camera friendly person. You all have seen him on my channel. He just comes and go a little bit. He don't talk much when he's on camera. So there are discomforts. You can, and I think you should understand as viewers that I am okay in front of the camera. Jhalak is obviously okay. My mom is very much okay. My dad is also a little bit shy. So we three are comfortable, so we like to come on camera. But other people, I cannot force them. I cannot put them in any discomfort situation. Because of me, nobody else should be suffering. So I understand your desire to see my family people, so that's why I add all of them little bit. Okay. So it's nothing like my videos don't have my family people. You can always check out my videos. There are a lot of videos where you see all my family people there together. But yeah, always in small parts. They are not so much, comfortable like coming talking to camera, because when you're watching me, you can see that Jyoti is talking. But right now there's a tripod in front of me, and there's a camera, and I'm like a fool talking to her, and non-living object. So not everybody will be comfortable doing that. And there are many things, just try and put yourself into the same shoe. If I come and, or if anybody comes and capture you, you are not sure how you're looking, or maybe you are not comfortable with like how people see you that way. I am very much comfortable, so yeah, it's with me you can ask for anything. I'm all available. Okay. To post my life, to what I eat, what am I doing, I'm all okay. So I think I should end the vlog here. There's also a lot of talking. I don't know how big this vlog is gonna be, but let's see. When I edit it, I'll come to know. If you like my channel, please do not forget to hit the like button, because that definitely motivates me, that you're liking my videos. I'll try and do more stuffs like this. And yeah, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because touch wood, we have reached to touch wood. We've reached 20k subscribers, and I really want my channel to grow big with a lot of new family members adding to it. Because the more people, the more kind of motivation I receive, that okay, so many people are watching me, and also sense of responsibility, you understand. Because so far I'm earning nothing out of my channel. So just in case you were thinking I do all this for money, no, I haven't earned anything on my channel yet. But yes, this really gives me a lot of motivation and happiness when I see that okay, people are increasing on my channel. Means like there are more people who likes me. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and if you have subscribed, please hit the notification bell icon so that you get my videos on time every time I upload new video. And yeah, you can share my video so that more can view it and more can subscribe, so that we all grow together. And many of you also comment me down below that you wants to meet me, wants to meet Jhalak. So definitely, I think once this corona thing gets over, this is something which can be done. And also, if my channel becomes a little bit big, at least I was just thinking, this is just a plan. Okay, you can take it as a hint. Well, it was just on my head. Let me just share it out. I was thinking if we grow to 50k subscriber, I will definitely do a very small meet and greet, not if not too many people, also at least few who can come and join. Like I'll upload the updates. I'll either post it on my community or my Insta. Yes, also many of you asked for my Insta ID, so it's at starjyoti.pandey. Okay, starjyoti.pandey. It's simple, right? That's my Insta ID. Please go follow me there. I'll update if at all we're planning a meet and greet. But that too not now. At least with 30k ahead, back. Okay, at least once we hit 50k subscribers, I can think of it. And even I want to meet so many of you, because when it was not a corona time, and whenever I go out, at least for sure I meet 2 to 3 people who knows me or who knows Jhalak. And even my husband, when goes out, he meets people who tell him like, oh, I have seen you on a channel like which is like so and so Jyoti Pandey channel. So yeah, even he feels happy, he feels proud. I'm sure he feels proud of me. I feel very much proud of myself. Even my mom gets recognized sometimes when she goes out, and people recognize her and they ask about Jhalak, they ask to her about me. So yeah, but now because it's lockdown and I'm not able to meet anybody, I'm actually not able to meet any one of you. So if we hit 50k, for sure we'll have a small meet and greet, and let's meet up there. Okay, till then, take care, sanitize, and keep smiling and laughing. Love you all. Bye bye.